Hello everyone, my name is Fahri Ahmad Syafuddin and I'll be talking about hortatory exposition today. I am class 12 13 from Mantu Wonosobo and I am excited to share my ideas with you. Let's begin. Berdirinya saya di sini yaitu mau ujian praktek bahasa Inggris. Ujian prakteknya tentang apa? Tentang hortatory exposition. Pertama, pengertian. Hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to persuade the listeners of readers that something should not happen for be done.
Before or
Let's recall the social function, structure, and language features of hortatory exposition. Number 2. Social function of hortatory exposition. The social function or purpose of hortatory exposition is to persuade the readers of listeners that something should not happen or be done. In simply way, hortatory exposition persuades the readers to do what the disease recommends.
persuades only.
Number 3.
Waduh.
Structure. A. Thesis.
Lalu pakai bala.
If presents the issues and the writer's point of view atau POV about the issue of the topic. B. Arguments. These parts consist of a series of arguments which strengthens the thesis and lead to recommendation. These arguments support the writer point of view in the thesis. POV in the thesis. C. Recommendation is present the statement of what not to happen. In this point, the writer tries to persuade the writers to do something. Example. Contoh.
Exempli.
The topic this time is student should use social media wisely. Thesis. In this modern era, social media has become an inseparable part of students' lives. Platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp are used every day for communication and entertainment. However, even though social media has many benefits, it can also bring negative effects if it is not used wisely. Therefore, students should be more careful and responsible in using social media. Example 2. Arguments. Firstly, social media can distract students from their studies. Many students spend too much time scrolling, watching videos, or playing online games instead of studying. As a result, they will lose focus, procrastinate, and even experience a decline in academic performance. Secondly, social media can have negative effects on students' mental health. Saying realistic lifestyles, beauty standards, or achievement of the others can make students feel insecure. Or cyberbullying is also a serious problem that can harm students emotionally and psychologically. Thirdly, social media can spread false information very quickly. Without proper critical thinking, students may believe hoaxes or misleading news. This can cause misunderstanding, panic, or even conflict among people. Example 3, contoh yang ketiga. Recommendation. Based on this reason, students should use social media wisely and responsibly. They should limit their screen time and prioritize their studies. They should also think critically before believing or sharing information online. Most importantly, students must remember that social media is a tool, not something not control their lives. In conclusion, social media can be very useful if it is used properly, but it can be harmful if it is misused. Therefore, students should be smart users of social media to project their future, mental health, and academic success. Language features 1. Simple present tense. Hortatory exposition uses the simple present tense to explain facts and opinion about social media. Example: students use social media every day. Social media affects student daily activities.
Mundur maning, Bud.
2. Modal verbs, suggestion and obligation. Modal verbs you are used to give advice and recommendation to students about using social media. Example: students should use social media wisely. Students must limit their screen time. 3. Persuasive words. Persuasive words are used to convince students that using social media wisely is important. Examples: important, harmful, beneficial, responsible, I believe, and my opinion, it is necessary. 4. Connectives or linking words. Connectives are used to organize arguments about the effect of social media. Examples: firstly, secondly, moreover, therefore, however, because. 5. Action verbs. Action verbs show action the student are advised to do when using social media. Examples: limit, avoid, protect, improve, think. Thank you. Sekian dari saya. Bila ada salah kata mohon sorry, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.